Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance for you as an agent, whether you be a team leader, a broker owner, or just an individual agent, the importance for you to develop a unique value proposition. Okay, unique value proposition, UVP. Maybe you've heard of unique selling proposition, very similar, unique value proposition. Again, a unique value proposition is really simple. It's a simple, concise statement or two as to why somebody should hire you versus the competition. So again, I like telling agents when I speak live at events or I'm on other people's podcasts, that sort of thing, what is the most listened to radio station that the consumer listens to? The consumer being a buyer or seller in real estate, right? Someone thinking about buying or selling a home. What's the most listened to radio station that they listen to? And the most listened radio station that they listen to is What's in It for Me. All they care about, if you're potentially representing them as a seller, what are you going to do to get their home sold faster for more money at a higher list to sale ratio and less days on the market so they can net more money? That's the only thing they care about. So when you're creating marketing pieces, educational videos, content, whatever it might be, remember your unique value proposition, and when you're designing your unique value proposition, remember all they care about is what's in it for them. So again, you really need to talk about benefits versus features. Features might be that award you won or you've been recognized by a certain organization. Those are features, but benefits are consumer driven, and they're driven either by analytical and data, but bottom line, you can use case studies and other things to really put together your unique value proposition. So that is really the foundation to any good marketing plan, any good agent's long-term plan. You got to figure out what makes you different and unique. And if you don't know, then that's okay too. Then you need to talk with others, some of your peers, and maybe your coach or your broker owner to develop a unique value proposition. The last time I saw, there's 1.4 plus million realtors out there. So everybody knows a real estate agent. So why should they hire you versus the competition? Again, for some free, great information, make sure you visit our podcast, luxurylistingpodcast.com, or you can find us on iTunes or Stitcher. And don't forget to watch our year in review video that we just recently put out. It's on our email as well. But we have some really exciting times ahead. For more information on our certification, go to Luxury Listing Specialist. If you're looking to work smarter, not harder, this year and years beyond, and attract a higher quality client and increase your average sale price, then our certification might just be the right fit. So again, to review, develop a unique value proposition. Why should somebody hire you versus the competition? Again, you need to remember the consumer only cares about what's in it for them. When you develop a unique value proposition, you need to listen to the radio station AAT, all about them. You need to create benefits for the consumers so that they should hire you. It's no different than why somebody goes to Starbucks and pays $4 for coffee when they could go to another place and spend $1 for that same coffee. Perhaps the experience is better at Starbucks, perhaps the quality is better. In many cases, there's other coffee that's out there that's just as good, but they don't have a unique value proposition. They don't create the experience for the consumer. So you need to think about that when you're creating your unique value proposition. You want people to cheerfully hire you versus going to somebody else. My name is Michael LaFido, and my contact information is below. Remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Take care.